equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools are essential for safely opening your Surface Pro 8 without causing any damage. Start by powering off your device completely. Once it's off, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the base. Be cautious here. If you feel resistance, use the spudger to carefully pry open the edges. It's important to take your time to avoid cracking the screen. Next, you'll encounter several screws securing the battery in place. Using your Torx T5 screwdriver, remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. After removing the screws, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. If it's stuck, a little wiggling with the spudger can help. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This step is crucial for maintaining the performance of your device. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Press it down firmly to ensure a good connection. Once it's in place, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the battery. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional diagnosis without obligation. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. After securing the battery, it's time to reattach the screen. Carefully align it with the base and press down until you hear a click. Make sure it's seated properly all around. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 8 to check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. In summary, replacing the battery in your Surface Pro 8 is a straightforward process if you have the right tools and follow these steps carefully. Whether you choose to do it yourself or opt for our professional services, we are here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.